If you are a high school student, a college student, or just need a printer that you would use from time to time, there is no need to spend a lot of money on a wireless printer. Luckily, there are great printers that cost under or around $200 that would serve you quite well. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP Envy 5055. One of the best known brand names in the tech world, and certainly the most popular name in the world of printers, HP brings us the Envy 5055, which, for many good reasons, takes our number 1 place for the best printer under $150. The Envy 5055 is a user-friendly, inkjet wireless printer that has amazing looks, and installation/setup takes literally no time. It is designed to fit in any office space, home office, or in a college dorm. Sounds good? It gets even better. This wireless printer allows you to connect 5 different devices to it at the same time. If you own an Amazon Alexa, you can connect it to the Envy 5055 and make it voice controllable. It also allows for Bluetooth connectivity. Pretty handy stuff. The number of paper sizes it supports is very good. It ranges from letter and legal size to 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10 inches in size. The No 10 envelopes are also supported. The overall print quality for a printer that is this affordable is quite good. All your documents and pictures will look clear. Now, the problem that occurs with printers is that the cartridges can get quite expensive, and if you use your printer all the time, it can drain your wallet. That is not the case with HP Envy 5055, which has affordable cartridges, and there is an option to subscribe to HP Instant Ink, which will deliver ink to you for an additional price. It's easy to see why the Envy 5055 is a great option for you if you are looking for a wireless printer under $150. Though it can have downsides like any other printer in the world, like the connectivity issues, the positives are far stronger and make this printer worth every penny. Number 2. Epson Workforce Pro WF 3820 printer. An amazing, affordable wireless printer comes from Epson and takes the No. 2 spot on this list. A well-built, sturdy printer might not have the sleek design that the Envy 5005 from HP has, but it works perfectly smooth. The technology that the WF 3820 has, the precision core heat-free technology, allows this printer to print at lightning-fast speeds. The setup is also quick, so that won't take up a lot of your time. For those who need a fax machine in their printer, don't worry, Epson Workforce Pro WF 3820 has got you covered. The wireless connection also works quite smoothly, except anytime the printer goes to sleep mode, you must reconnect your device if you wish to print wirelessly. The great feature of this Epson printer is the 2.7-inch color touchscreen that displays to you all the important information and allows you to control it. Like the previously mentioned HP Envy 5055, the printing cost of the Workforce Pro WF 3820 is also very affordable. It also has scanning options if you need that also, but it doesn't support duplex scanning, which might be too much to ask for from this affordable printer. Perfect for students and those who don't use a printer every day. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TR 4520. Another wireless printer that supports Alexa, the Canon PIXMA TR 4520 is the most affordable option of all the printers on this list. It uses Inkjet printing technology and supports wireless and USB connectivity. The downside is that Bluetooth is not supported. With the reputation that the Canon brand has, the build quality is great as expected. Printing speed is considerably slower than other printers, but for this price, you can't expect crazy fast printing speeds. The printing costs are also not the best, but since this printer is designed and engineered for light use, that shouldn't be a huge issue. On the positive side, printing quality is surprisingly clear for an affordable wireless printer and has an option for both sides of printing. It also has scanning and faxing options. With an easy setup, great price, and several great features, the PIXMA TR4520 is an excellent addition to any home office that needs a printer for light use. One more great thing is that you can choose from two different colorways, black and white, so you can get the one that will fit in your office better. Number 4. HP DeskJet 3639 printer. The second entry from HP is on this list and it's a quite affordable one. Other than printing, the HP DeskJet 3639 has copying and scanning options, though the faxing option is missing. The biggest positive about this HP printer is that it works so quietly, so you can easily print at night without worrying about waking someone up. However, its biggest downside is the complicated and lengthy setup process, so prepare yourself and take your time when setting up this printer. On the other hand, the quality of printing is actually quite good for a budget all-in-one printer. It allows you to print 3x5, 4x6, 5x7, 8x10-inch paper as well as no 10 envelopes. The great feature is the small display that is found on the top left side. It allows you to control the printer and change its settings. While the setup process is complicated, there are plenty of positive sides to this printer, and that's why I would recommend it to anyone that needs a printer for occasional use. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 Wireless Printer. A printer with many features that would be great for everybody is the HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. Another printer that has the option to be connected to Alexa for hands-free usage, the OfficeJet Pro 6978 has options for scanning, faxing, and copying. Unlike the previous printer, this one is extremely easy to set up and get straight to printing. Although printing isn't the most affordable, the printer certainly is, and that is one of its biggest positive sides. The print quality and the print speed are also quite good, and the duplex scanning always comes in handy. On the center of the printer, you will find the 2.65 color touchscreen that could have been better, as we feel it's not smooth enough, but hey, this is still an affordable printer, so you get what you pay for. The overall design of the HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 is nice and sleek. We liked it very much, and it will look good in any college dorm or home office you put it in. Although it has its shortcomings, the HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 does the job it has and is a good all-in-one wireless printer for infrequent printing.